So last night, I was driving around, then my car just died. I started it one more time and went, well, I'm just going to say one of the loudest sounds ever, and now my car, somewhere I don't know. Last time I saw it, it was just standing there. I don't sitting there. I don't know if it's still there.